Hey guys, it's Josh here with DesireTutorials.com, building a complex Drupal website from start to finish, unlike any other tutorial system you can find on the web in the non-coding perspective. So right now in this YouTube, I'm just going to give you a quick preview of my series of Drupal view tutorials, just so you get an understanding of what you can find on my website and how you can use views from my website tutorials to help set up your Drupal website in a nice professional way. And I just give you a quick demonstration of how quick it is to upload a new page in your views, and I'll go through the fields, the manage fields, and everything you need to know about views so you can set up a website that looks like mine, and eventually you'll be able to set up the add to carts and everything like that as long as you go through all my tutorials. Alright guys, so in this series of tutorials I'm going to show you how to use Drupal views, which is really easy once you know how to use it, but it's pretty hard to figure out at first. I'm going to mainly show you how to set up 4 different ways that you can use views. The first one is just going to be a layout like this, which actually involves the WYSIWYG I install to add things like this, because I don't know how to code that in very well. But this layout just is really easy to do as well for the images. And for the YouTubes, which you can play straight from here, or you can blow them up full screen. And the next kind of layout we're going to do is, well, this is the actual WYSIWYG right here. This content layout right here, and all that. But this is a view on the side right here that you can edit and configure the block. Because I have it set up as a block, so I can tell it wherever blocks can be, I can add this view at. But it looks best right here under the shopping cart. So if I just add a page to this content type, I can put it right here. And then the next one's going to be just a simple layout like this. This might just be the first one, just because it's probably the easiest. And then, or maybe this one, just an art gallery. I'm gonna show you how to add price fields to these in commerce, so you can have an add to cart under here, and it's a price or something like that. And you can also do it to the, well, not those, to the Drupal tutorials. I'm gonna show you how easy it is now to add a page to the actual views. So I'll just add one to the bottom. It's my commerce, which is not gonna be set up completely right, but we'll just add content. And this is the content type that's being pulled from the back end to the front for the view. So let's call it commerce. And then for the body, I'm just going to paste what I have, which would be a complex layout using the WYSIWYG tables and other different things, but for now that's okay. This is what shows up on the actual page. Nothing else will show up except for this content right here. Just the way I have it set up. Now we're going to add some images. And all these images get pulled from the back to the front for the views. And if you see I have it set up to where they all look like they're named very common or very easily, but it took a while to figure out how all this works where you can do it in an easy way. Because the fields all get confused if you start setting them up how you think someone should set them up, but I'll explain everything to you and show you later. This is just an order field I have set up so you can order all the views that I have, the art gallery, the videos, or the box ads, or whatever these are, the Drupal tutorials. So I think it's 4 or 5, but I'm just gonna put it at 5, that way it's at the back. Then for the YouTube that goes on, I'm just gonna paste the URL from YouTube. And this is an easy thing to do just because it's just one URL. It's not the actual video that's gonna go there, but it works. And this content's actually hidden from the actual page, but it's gonna show up on the view, so I'm just gonna bold half of it and make it a little bit bigger. Maybe we'll underline it. Oh. That way we know that it's there. Kind of looks like a link, doesn't it? Alright, so now we're going to save this. And that new page should pop up at the bottom of my Drupal tutorials. Just the commerce header. And there it is. And that's how, like, this type right here is pretty much how I added the bullet points. I used my WYSIWYG to do it. I don't know how to code that in there. If you see, there's gonna be no, oh, it's just gonna be the basic content that we added, just because I used a WYSIWYG to do the other content as well. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be explaining in my views, which they're pretty long. So just take your time and ask me any questions if you have them.